Deep within the heart of the Valle de Bravo forest lies a unique haven. Here, nestled amongst the towering pines and vibrant foliage, nature and architecture come together in perfect harmony. This stunning residence is not a singular structure, but rather a collection of 4 distinct volumes. Each volume, built with locally sourced stone, serves a specific purpose. Their simple, geometric shapes echo the timeless forms found in nature. These interconnected volumes are not just physical spaces, but rather functional zones. Terraces and paths act as connectors, guiding residents on a journey of discovery through the house and its surrounding landscape. Stepping inside, the connection with nature is ever present. The use of natural materials, stone, wood, and ample natural light creates a sense of serenity and balance. The contrast between the cool stone and warm wood adds a touch of visual intrigue. The genius of the design lies in its ability to blur the lines between indoors and outdoors. The staggered layout creates pockets of tranquility throughout the property, offering residents a variety of spaces to connect with nature. This is a place designed not just for solitude, but also for shared experiences. Guest cabins offer a comfortable haven for visitors, while the watchman's house ensures the security of the entire complex. Sustainability is also a key element. The rainwater lake provides irrigation for the surrounding landscape. This house in the Valle de Bravo forest is more than just a structure, it's a sanctuary. It's a testament to the power of architecture to seamlessly integrate with its natural surroundings, creating a space of peace, connection, and timeless elegance.